Okay, quick bike check of the Def Wish by All-City. This is my Def Wish setup with the Tracklocross wheels on it. We've got just a set of random old wheels. We have the WTB Resolute tires, 42Cs on it. We're running clipless, we're running the Shimano SBD pedals. We're on a set of Bricklane bikes, cranks on with the Bricklane bikes front sprocket. That's a 48 tooth up the front. 48 tooth bad boy. Oh yeah. And then at the back here, we're running an 18 tooth. That's just a random cock. And then up the front here, we have the Race Face Evolve XC bars with a set of lock-ons. We've just got a random stem. Today I'm running my restrap pack with it, but that's not always going to be on it. I just didn't want to carry a bag today, so I opted to put the restrap bag on it, and it fits really nicely. And then we have a random saddle, the random seat post. But other than that, there's not much else on this bike. It's pretty simple, it feels good, and I'm about to ride it in the woods. So let's go and have a little ride on this bike and see how it feels going back down. I've ridden it totally just coming up this hill, and I did a little road ride the other day. Other than that, I've not properly off-roaded this yet, so this will be the first time. I did crash into a tree on the way up the hill, but we'll hopefully not crash into anything on the way down. Let's go. Okay, let's just take a little casual bit through here to start. It's up quite a lot. There's a big set of stairs that I'm not going to ride down, so let's cut to where I actually get to ride the bike a bit. Okay, should maybe lower my tire pressure a bit, but we'll risk it for a biscuit. More trees. Yes. Nice. Okay, climbing's quite hard. Maybe I should have gone with the spinnier gear ratio. I might put my 22 wheel back on the back. We'll see. But I'm not making it up this, so let's do another till the next bit of downhill chat. Okay, so this is the tree I made friends with. Yeah, kind of came like flying down here and then was unclipped on both feet here, and then ended up in that tree because I was avoiding that tree. Yeah. Now let's hike the bike. At least it's light. It's good for things like this. That's a positive. Oh god dang. Okay, should be more downhill soon. Now let's actually test in some routes. To be honest with you, I don't know how well I'm going to handle this. Yeah, nice. That works good. Nice. Feels good. I'm going quite slow, but yeah. Can jump over rocks. Maybe slow down. Can't remember exactly what I'm getting myself into. Oh yeah. Yeah, it gets pretty that good. Should probably lower my tyre pressure a bit, but I'm not dying, so I'm actually struggling to see a bit. Whoa! Nice. Now this bit, more than definitely I'm not going to go down. Yeah, I'm not going to risk it. Drop back on and continue hitting this. For the first proper ride, it feels good. I'm quite happy. Definitely a couple of things like lowering the tyre pressure and stuff I could do to make it a bit better. It rips. Yeah, just send it. Just send it. Nice. Yeah. This bike feels good in this formation. Very much enjoying it. Maybe I should go to the 22, but then maybe I'll be a bit too spinny going down the hills. Is what I quite like about this ratio is I'm not spinning out too much going down. This is quite a sudden stop down here. Quite a tight corner as a person. Cheers. There we go, and that's us down the main bit of the hill. Considering how much of that's pretty sketchy, I rode through a decent amount of that, and the bike feels pretty good. I'm pretty happy. Who would have thought the All-City Def Wish was going to be a good bike for off-roading? This was meant to be my trick track bike, but yeah, now it's a bit of both. I need to get the squid set up. That'll be a challenge for the future. But yeah, that's the first decent ride. The first decent ride on this bike. Quite enjoyed that. Now going down the hill is literally just these gravel hills, so I'm gonna walk down this one, chat. So, oh, that is the Def Wish. I had fun. It's a good bike, feels good off-road. Got loads of clearance. I'm satisfied with the off-road tracklocross build. I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope to see you in the next bike check or whatever it might be. But peace out.